Hey guys, this is Bitcoin Geek and it is 15th April 2017 and I want to talk about the price of Bitcoin already exceeded the price of gold from 2nd of April. That's the agenda I want to talk about today, so let's just enjoy it. Right, so let's just take a look back price history of the Bitcoin. Okay, so we had a huge up and down. So let's just quickly review. This huge week was brought by a ETF. So there was a speculation ETF may goes up and approve, etc. So there was a just a 1 or 2 second, just a spike was there, and just that was end. Right, and the next thing is hard fork issue came into the light, and people started to sell in a little panic manner, and the price just dropped down. It was really a scary moment. I created a last video talking about will the Bitcoin hard fork and die. So if you haven't looked at it, please take a look. That's pretty interesting. Right, so now we are here. So the price as of now is 1176, and this orange line represents a gold price. Right, so the gold price is Saturday and Sunday, they don't quote, so it's there's a little space out there. However, you can see a very this bar chart is a 10-year treasury, so this line represents gold. So anyway, it's pretty much the same thing. So right, anyway, these two assets, if you look at a gold price movement, it's somewhere around 1290 now. So yeah, it's pretty amazing. Gold is just, you know, advancing pretty fast, and it's just coming into the 1300 mark. If you look at just a chart, it just looks like Bitcoin is not beating gold, right? However, if we take a look at one interesting factor, that's gonna show a little different picture. Right, so as anybody know, there is a price called a Bitcoin Unlimited Split Token. This is traded at the Bitfinex, and what they are doing is, if hard fork happened, you know, people, how much are you willing to pay for Bitcoin Unlimited? And this is the price, right? So if this, it's showing that people are happy to pay $112 for the Bitcoin Unlimited right to buy. And so if we think this is the after the hard fork price, we can calculate, we can recover the real price of Bitcoin as of today. So what I really mean is, right, so this is the BTC USD, and this is now. So if hard fork kicked in BTC, that's a regular one, classic, or we can call classic or core or whichever you like, and the other one is a BTU. As of today, it's at 112, right? So if Bitcoin price is, say, this price is 1200, and Bitcoin Unlimited goes somewhere around, say for example, this goes $100. What's the price for the Bitcoin core? That should be 1100, right? So the formula is pretty simple. So this is original BTC, so it's hard fork. Then these two, sum of these two assets, like a BTC and BTU, that should goes to the original amount of this 1200. That's a very simple formula, right? Of course, it does not include, or it does not factor in the devaluation of the split. I mean, if people, if really Bitcoin really goes hard fork, people are getting confused. Just a regular ordinary people just ask, oh, I want to buy Bitcoin, and if people say, oh, okay, so which Bitcoin you want to buy, and the people say, oh, there's a Bitcoin Classic and Bitcoin Unlimited, and oh, etc. etc. So, you know, just a regular people is not gonna buy, and that sort of thing will probably push the price down to somewhere around half or something, which I really have no idea, but it's gonna below 1200, that's for sure. So anyway, I do not factor in such a thing. However, we have not seen hard fork yet as of today. That is 4:15. So as of today, we don't really have to factor in that hard fork price devaluation. So what really mean is okay, so as of now, we are looking the price of Bitcoin around 1170, and the Bitcoin Unlimited is 112, say 110. So this is a BTC and this is a BTU. So that means really we should evaluate original Bitcoin price as 1280 because this is the sum of those two, right? So that's a very simple and rough assumption I made, and I just took all the pricing. I just made a little spreadsheet here, and I was just trying to draw a little ugly graph. And if you take a look at the graph, that's pretty interesting. Okay, so this green shows a recovered BTC. That means BTC and BTU, sum of those two assets. And this orange line represents gold, and this histogram shows a spread between these two assets. So if you look at the numbers, it's pretty interesting. After April 2nd, this is the April 2nd, the histogram turned to negative zones, and just original recovered price of the Bitcoin always was above the bullion gold. So I was just wondering, this may gives a little new sort of the idea how to look at the price of the Bitcoin. And actually I was pretty interested that this recovered price always beat gold after April 2nd. So that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and have a great weekend. All right, bye.